Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm really sorry for not being consistent and uploading videos regularly. Please forgive me, please bear with me, please don't leave my side. I really need you guys and I hope that things will be back on track very soon. So since festive season is right around the corner, I've created this intense brown smoky eye look which is very versatile, will go on so many occasions with so many outfits. I hope you will like it and let's get started. So first I will be moisturizing my face and I'm using this Plum Illuminance serum which is really hydrating and gives you a beautiful glow, and it also helps in making your makeup stick to the face. And then I just filled in my eyebrows with this Wet n Wild trio. It's really good. I love it. I've gifted my mom the same thing as well. Then I am using this concealer from Miss Claire which is extremely sticky and gives a really nice base for eyeshadows. And then I'm going to set that concealer with this powder from L'Oreal, and this is my first ever product that, no, actually second ever product that I've hit pan on. So yeah, I really like this one. It's very good. And then digging into this Colourpop eyeshadow palette which is sadly not available in India, but you can order from their website, but then they are going to be custom, so please be cautious. If someone is traveling to US or is coming from to US, then ask your friends and family to get it for you. So I use that peachy sort of a color in my crease first, and then I'm going with this light brownish shade and I'm going to intensify my crease with this. I'm just going to use two brushes for this eyeshadow look. In fact, actually I should have stick to one, but yeah, you will see why I'm saying all this. Then I'm going ahead with this a little more brighter and deeper orangey reddish shade, and I'm going to further intensify the crease. And then I'm taking this Plum kajal pencil in Uptown Brown, which is a shimmery brown shade, but I just wanted a little bit brown shade for my smoky eyes, so I'm just applying it normally and then just blending it a little bit with the same brush. Then I'm digging into this really pretty brown shade. Now I'm using a flat brush from Colourpop which I absolutely didn't like. The pigmentation of the eyeshadow was lost with this brush. You will see when I use a different brush, the color will suddenly pop and it will make a lot of a difference. So yeah, I'm just doing another round of blending within the crease and the the lid shade, and then I'm trying to make it work because this intensity, I wasn't really satisfied with this intensity. So I'll just change my brush. I'll use this same brush because it's a little bit of flat brush. I'm going to use two sides for two purposes, like I'll use one side for the lid shade and the other side for the crease shade. I hope it's making any sense. You can see how much difference this particular brush made for the brown shade, and it's amazing. So yeah, just keep on blending till you are happy with the outcome, and once that's done, I'm going to take this bone sort of a shade just to highlight my eyebrow bone so that it looks more not chiseled exactly, but it looks more clean and defined, So yeah, this is a matte shade and I really like to use this for a brow bone highlight. Then using this I Want You So eyeliner from Sugar, which I really love. It's a beautiful liquid eyeliner, sets very quickly, and it's matte and jet black, so yeah, it's really good. I'm just going to make a regular wing liner. It's going to be a thin line and I'm going to connect it with my lower lash line a little bit. So yeah, nothing crazy, simple stuff. Alright, so once my eyeliner is done, I'm going to use that reddish brownish shade and the light brown shade on my lower lash line as well, and I'm going to smoke it out again. Then I'm using these lashes from PAC. These are really beautiful fluttery lashes. I love the band because it doesn't really shows up as much. Then moving on to face, I'm using this LA Girl foundation. I love this for festive season specifically because it gives you that dewy look and it looks really beautiful. The skin looks healthy and glowy. So yeah, as always, I'm going to dot the foundation on my face first to get the maximum coverage, and then I'm going to use my YP Makeup Perfector and I'm going to blend the foundation in. I absolutely love this stuff. Please do invest in it because I know you are going to love it. So yeah. And yeah, just take your time, blend the foundation really well. Make sure that you're blending the edges into the hairline so that it looks natural and you do not have 2-3 colors going on your face and neck. Make sure that you're covering your ears as well. So yeah. So for my concealer, I'm going to mix this Colourpop one, again not available in India, and I'm going to mix this one with the Maybelline. I'm not using a lot of concealer today. I do not want to highlight crazily, so yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and do my thing. And again, blending with the same sponge. I'll let the concealer sit under my eyes for a few seconds, you know, so that I can get maximum coverage there and it looks really nice and bright. And then I'm going to just set my entire face in concealer with the same powder. I love that. I use that powder alone as well on so many days, and I really like it. I'm loving this powder brush as well. And then I'm going to dig into my Sugar Contour the Face palette, and I'm going to first contour my face. And you have to make a fish, duck face, whatever it's called, and then just start contouring your cheekbones. Now for the other cheek, I did a mistake. You should start from the edge and then move towards your mouth. And if you mess up like me, then just take your sponge and clean the edges and blend it, and it will work out. So don't panic, just use your sponge. And then I'm just trying to create some shadows around my face as well, and my nose, and I'm going to use a little bit on my chin as well, just to get a little more depth over there. It looks really pretty according to me. So yeah. And then I'm going to take the same blush from the same trio, and then I'm going to apply it on the apples of my the apples of my cheek, and you just have to smile a little bit so that you can locate where you have to apply your brush. And then I'm going to use the same highlighter, and I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my cheek. And highlighter has no rules, so excuse me, use as much or as little as you want. Then I'm going to use the same highlighter for the inner corners as well, and I'm going to use my fingers for this because I think they work the best. So yeah, then I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lash line, and I think my eyes are done here. And the last step is the lipstick. I'm going to use this PAC Mini Retro Matte Mini lipstick. I will mention the shade below, and it's a really pretty nudie brick brown sort of a shade. I'm not very good at explaining shades, but yeah, I really like this one. I love the formula as well. These lipsticks are really amazing. So yeah, that's the final step, and that concludes the look. And this is the final look, guys. I really absolutely love this one. I think it's really versatile and can be done for so many occasions. I loved it. Let me know if you like it or not in the comments below, and let me know which look you want me to create in the coming videos. And I promise I will be regular, and I will see you very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you so much. Mwah.